On this new short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat messages. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings, go to the apps. Now on this page, what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then scroll, go to Snapchat, click here on the storage, click on clear data, click on delete, go back, click on this data usage here, disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it. After that, all what you have to do now is turn off your phone, turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.